Hello children. The options, that is option C, 14,003. Clear children, understanding the concept, right? So once you understand what is asked in the question, it becomes very easy for us to solve it. Question number 15. Use the multiplication operation and evaluate the following questions. Now what is this? 24 into 64. Very simple and straightforward question children. 4 4s are 16. 6 here 1 carried. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. Now new number in a new line. Now after 6 we are having 1 digit here. So we'll place 1 0. 6 4s are 24. 4 here 2 carried. 6 2s are 12 plus 2 14. Adding our partial products. 6 plus 0 6. 9 plus 4 15, 9 plus 4 13, 3 here 1 carried, 1 plus 4 5 and 1. 1536 is our answer, that is option C. Very easy question, right? Yes. Question number 16. Again use the multiplication operation. 1042 into 5. Again simple and straightforward question. Sometimes we get lucky and simple questions are also asked in the exam. 5 2s are 10, 0 here 1 carried, 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21, 1 here 2 carried, 5 zeros are 0 plus 2 becomes 2, 5 1s are 5. What is the answer children? 5210, that is option A. Moving on to question number 17. Again multiplication is to be done here. 106 into 35. 5 6 are 30, 3 here 0 here 3 carried, 5 zeros are 0 plus 3 becomes 3, 5 1s are 5. Now coming to the next number 0, next digit 3, a new digit, so new line. After 3 we are having 1 digit, so 1 0. 3 6 are 18, 8 here 1 carried, 3 zeros are 0 plus 1 becomes 1, 3 1s are 3. Adding our partial products, 0 plus 0 0. See children, so what did we get here in the units place? 0. If you look at the options carefully, only option A has 0 in the units place. So even without adding the remaining numbers, I can say that option A is my correct answer. Okay, again if you are even smart enough, what can you do here is take the digits in the units places. 5 6 are how much? 5 6 are 30. Now in this product, what number is in the units place? 0. So look at the options and tell me which number has 0 in the units place. Option A. So option A will be a correct answer. Understood? So what happens in Olympiad exams is we'll be having little time and we have to solve many questions as possible. So in this way, even without doing the whole multiplication, we can directly write the answer. Understanding children? Multiply the digits in units place and look at what digit comes in the units place of the product and match it with the given options. Let us cross check by actually adding it. 3 plus 8 becomes 11. 1 here 1 carried. 5 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7 and then 3. Yes, we got the same answer, that is 3710. Option A. Moving on to question 18. Now again multiplication 101.0 into 101. Now children, don't get confused. Now what is this 0.0? 101.0 is nothing but 101 only. Okay, is nothing but 101 only. There is nothing extra about it or there is nothing new about it. So just consider it as 101 only. Forget or remove the 0.0. So 101 into 101. Now as I said, first let us see by multiplying the units digits. 1 1s are 1. If you look at the options, option A and option B both have 1 in the units place. So we need to solve this. We cannot directly mark the correct answer. Why not option C and option D? Now see, what did I say? 101.0 is nothing but 101 only. Now when we are having no points in the question, how can there be a decimal point in the answer? There cannot be. Yes. So when when my problem has apples and oranges, there cannot be strawberries in the answer, right? So that is what the rule is. That is what we are doing here. So there are no decimals in the question. So there cannot be any decimals in the answer as well. They are given just to confuse you. 101 into 101. Now 101 into 1 becomes what? 101. Now new number with a 0. 0 into anything becomes what?